You ready? Okay, so welcome to River Valley High School 2021 FTC Robot Kit. Our goal here is to give you the basics to assemble a competitive robot. By no means is it a final product. It's more of a prototype right now. But we should have all the parts that you need in the kit, and you should be able to modify this to be a very competitive robot. So basically you have your tile runner from semester 1. Now what we've done is we've designed a superstructure that goes on top of the tile runner. As it is, it doesn't fit because of the constraint of these two motors. You can just remove these two motors and run your tile runner in two-wheel drive. You could also move your motors back. You can chain drive them, or you can go with a different base. That's up to you. What we've focused on is the superstructure here. And the way the superstructure works is it's got a paddle wheel. I've included 2 or 3 of those in your kit. You can cut these up to make them look like this. That's what's going to grab the disc. It's going to force it into another rubber wheel, and you'll have these ones here, and into a shooter, which consists of 2 3.7 to 1 motors. These are very high-speed motors, and they don't have much torque, so they cannot be rubbing on any of the plastic. The heart of the operation is these 2 plates, okay? So this is your top plate and this is your bottom plate. The motor, the 3.7 motor, has 4 metric number 3 screws that will go in those holes to hold the motor in place, okay? So it's a little bit different than this one, but it's all included in your kit. The green rubber wheels go on the shooter motors. So the way this works, and you will have to modify it a little bit, okay, is I'm gonna get the collector going, okay, and the rings go up and then fall down into this hole. You're gonna have to modify it a little bit to get those to go up there far enough. Move the wheels around a little bit. Once they drop in here, in your kit is a servo and a servo arm that the disc will rest against the servo arm. When you program the servo arm or the servo will feed the disc up into the spinning wheels. So the disc comes in, your servo then shoots it forward, and you score. Okay? It's a very simple collector and shooter. There's shims included in your kit. You're gonna need to shim this up so the 2 pieces of plastic do not hit your spinning wheels, and that the disc will slide in between the top plate and the bottom plate, okay? Your engineering challenge is to get this superstructure and this base mated together so you fit in the 18-inch box and can start programming your robot to shoot. You will be able to pick up your kit this weekend. And everything is in your kit, including the 3 to 7 motors, the servos, the tetrics needed to make the superstructure, the motors, the motor mounts, all the nuts and bolts. What is not included are the wrenches. Good luck. I hope you have a successful season.